Hello all, welcome to this lecture where we'll be discussing GPT. As you know, ChatGPT is very popular and the key technology in ChatGPT is GPT. So let us understand what it is. GPT stands for Generative Pre-Trained Transformer. Let's break down each term to understand GPT better. First, let's start with transformer. A transformer processes input as a sequence of tokens. What is token? A token is a basic unit of data processed by GPT, typically a word, subword, or character in text. So transformer performs transformations on these tokens using its architecture and produces an output also as a sequence of tokens. The output could represent tasks such as machine translation, text summarization, or typical Q&A interactions. An important point to note is the transformer forms the core of GPT and is central to how GPT functions. Next, let's move to the term pre-trained. Pre-trained means that the model has already been trained on existing data and can further be trained on new data. For example, various versions of ChatGPT were trained on large datasets gathered from the internet up to a certain cutoff date. To summarize, pre-train implies the model has undergone initial training on massive data and can be adapted for specific tasks by training on additional data. Finally, we have the word generative, which is specific to generative AI. This means the model can create new sequence of tokens that resemble the patterns and information it was trained on. So generative refers to the model's ability to produce new content based on its training. In summary, GPT is an AI model that processes input as a sequence of tokens using a transformer architecture. It is pre-trained on vast amounts of data and can be trained on new data. It is generative, meaning it can create new sequence of tokens similar to what it has learned. Additionally, transformers are highly flexible and can be adapted to process other types of data such as images as tokenized patches and videos as sequence of tokenized frames, enabling applications beyond text such as image generation and video synthesis. So that's it in this lecture. I hope you like it. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.